welcome back to our channel. Let's get our drink out the way. I'm Brooklyn.
And I'm Chris.
Welcome to our channel. And if you guys are new, subscribe.
Subscribe, press notifications,
And like button.
And the bell.
So, I just want to tell you guys that if you subscribe, you can be a part of our BB squad. And if you're a part of our BB squad, that means you get most of giveaways and stuff like that. And once we reach at least 20 subscribers, we'll start giving 5 giveaway card things to be your winner. But you have to hit the thumbs up on our latest videos.
Yep.
You've got to turn post notification on. What else? And you have to comment on our videos, hashtag BB Squad, and you have to subscribe. Yep. And you have to watch our latest videos. And you have to do that for 1 week, and then you guys will get a free gift. Okay, we'll start with Krista.
Okay, you guys, I have this slime, which...
Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you guys, this is we're showing our squishy dollar slime.
This slime was made out of my slime, but it's really not. It's a little bit sticky, and it's
water. Hard, but let me go get some stuff to fix that.
Okay, you guys, and right now, if you hit the post notifications, you would get lots and lots of stuff. And you guys, the slime is not.
Hey guys, I got back with just this so you can carry, and hand sanitizer.
Yes, that would definitely help.
Hand sanitizer.
I have that in my book bag though.
Okay, this is this is a school craft glue.
Yeah, so
a crazy art school glue. So I will just pour that in.
I'm sure that's enough.
Yeah. You can also add more at the end. I don't need the bottle at all. Plus, you don't want to give it to me. Do you need help mixing?
No.
Oh yeah, and I want to tell you guys one more thing. I don't know what this is, but I made these 2 slimes a long time ago. Them 2 black squares. And what we're going to do is we are going to get all this stuff off the container and stuff, and we're going to
make more slime.
Yeah, new slime. I should have grabbed the glue while I was in the room.
It's okay, you can go ahead and go grab it.
You want to go grab it for me?
No.
Okay. Plus, it's in my backpack. This isn't really helping. This is making it stickier and less thick. So, we'll add some hand soap.
Hand soap? Oh, yes. That's okay. It falls off sometimes.
Okay.
Whatever.
Some hand soap. This is an aloe hand soap. Hold on, let me get my phone, my mom's phone from my brother before he shuts it. You can't call anybody.
And and be prepared for probably gloves, but we don't have gloves, so just gonna move the aloe soap. And right now my table has the slime off the table.
Okay, is that good?
And it made it even more less sticky.
And guys, we are going to have a part 2 of this. Can I touch?
Yeah.
Because I have to get in the pool and kick all this stuff off the bottom. And this is a big improvement.
How about while you're doing that, I can just do the video.
Yeah, I want to do my side. I forgot this goes on her side. Okay, I will let Josiah do some of mine.
Okay.
Maybe. I don't know.
Do you want me to go on with this, or do you want to start?
That's going to be in our part 2.
Okay, part 2.
So Josiah does...
One slime and one squishy over there.
Okay, you guys, we each do 2. Okay, wait till after I do it. I got this squishy at the mall. Sorry, not yesterday, but
the day before yesterday.
I think it was Thursday. It was Thursday. I got it from the mall for $9.
And once we got it smelled so good. Sorry for the mess. We're trying to clean up the house.
Let me move the camera a little bit. There you go. And we got it from this girl. Big boy!
And
my brother tried to carry charcoal. Now leave this over there.
And she
actually
got the squishies. She got a lot of them from New York.
Yeah, she used to live in New York, and they had a whole business down there. And now for Sarah's turn.
I have this, Brooklyn Stark slime she made.
Ew, that's watery.
Green slime too.
Okay, let me feel this to see if we can throw it away or not.
Look at my hands.
Yeah, this slime.
It didn't actually.
It's a good slime actually.
Yeah.
I just overloaded with pigment. Eyeshadow pigment, and hold on.
You put eyeshadow?
You might, yeah, make it darker. You might want to go wash your hands off.
No, I'm gonna just be. Whenever we're done with this,
You can just leave that. I will wash your hands.
Look at my hands, you guys. That one's like, oh, look at this one. It's all like green.
There. So like your sides, play with that. You can, if you want to, you can put it back in the container now. Let me go dump this rest of the water out.
First, I need to wash this off.
Okay, if Josiah wants to put that back before I get done, it's okay. Okay, this is not going to be a second part because my mom said I can wait about 10 minutes. And we have 7 minutes to go. So, let's hurry. This, I just mixed white school glue with this green food coloring, and then I put it on the squishy, in the cake squishy. And it smells good, so, but I did kind of burn it. And it does need some fixing, because, you guys see that? So I don't know if you guys can see that, but okay.
It's really going old.
Yeah.
Can I see it?
Yeah, you can play with it. And I'm just gonna show
I like to push down the
the
little
rest of the
dots.
stuff. Okay. And this is the slime I just made. It's a paper clip slime. It's got bubbles in it.
It has a lot of paper clips in it. We used all of her paper clips.
Yeah, we use all my paper clips.
And then the squishy does need to fix up because the strawberries on it are broken.
Yeah, but it's just
one
cracks
is
now
super
since I put it in. So the
good.
cracks, I'm gonna drop the camera. I'm gonna ASMR it. Okay, guys.
Please do this one.
Listen, I got to clean the filter out real fast before you can get in there and kick it up. Because as soon as you get done kicking it up, I got to put this in there. So I need you to get in there and kick up as much as you can, the best that you can, so that I can get that poured in there. And then by this time tomorrow, hopefully we'll have a clear ass pool.
Mom, watch your mouth. Okay, I got one problem. I have no clue where my bathing suit is.
Whenever you're in the pool, can I bring
You're gonna be doing YouTube videos.
If not, can I do a game?
Yeah. We just don't download it in a game.
I don't want to.
My phone's in my room.
Your phone's right there.
Yeah, behind the camera.
Oh,
Yeah. Got two cameras. One in my room behind the camera and one that I'm doing the video. Well, we're doing the video. Let me make it where we can see because I love it too. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys this slime. This is my favorite one. And I use like a Tide coil.
Can I touch it,
breeze. Yeah, just touch it out and put it back in.
Ew, that's a weird slime feeling.
And it's like that's like one of my best ones I've had. Okay, now let's get on to the best slime. Let me get a drink.
Oh,
really
the best slime is my favorite slime. Literally, I cannot stop poking it.
Josiah had played with it earlier. So
Yeah.
it might not have been cleared up yet, but
Might not
I used
be.
2 bottles of glue. It looks dark like that and light like that. Josiah used 2 bottles of glue.
Yeah,
And it's blue because I used like a regular Tide. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay.
that's cool.
And next video,
We
which
would
Christiana's gonna make whenever I get out the pool. Me and Christina are gonna make it whenever we get out the pool.
But I thought I was gonna do that.
Hold on. Yeah.
I'm just gonna play with that while
Yeah.
you're in the pool.
Yeah.
YouTube video.
We're going to be making some and putting them in there in the next video. Usually YouTubers don't do it like twice or 5 times a day. But our house gets
Guys,
really
look at
boring.
that. It's so
Like the official slime
stretchy.
squirrel.
That's the one that we put hand sanitizer in, and it actually helps.
And in this time I want to add one ingredient before we go.
Oh yes, to make it non-sticky.
And this one makes it more sticky, but I can also add in more activator.
Look. Oh. Can I touch it with the slime? Can you squish it with the slime?
Oh no.
Why not? It's not sticky.
Because it will make the squishy soggy. Yeah, it's like a sponge. Now this smells amazing, guys. It's like a mixture between Tide and aloe soap. It smells amazing. What if I add my favorite soap? Because my mom got 3 soaps. Let me show you that.
Ooh, yeah, our mom got 3 soaps.
My favorite was this one.
My favorite's the aloe.
Mine was a white tea. And I don't really have
I
taste of the Morelia oil, but I want to add this one too. And it's clear.
yes, it is.
They're all clear, but this is like a white clear. It has no color to it.
Yeah, it has no color to it. It's a white clear, water clear, like that.
Like it looks like water that's like hand sanitizer, like Jello.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So this is it for our video.
We will have a part 2 whenever she gets up.
Well, there's not really gonna be part 2 because we showed everything for our restock. Hold on.
Okay,
Okay, guys. So
I do want to add in this. Rebecca, is it okay if I add this in?
yes, a little bit. So, guys, goodbye, and
I
we will
added
see you in our next video. Bye bye.